Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mengnan. So today, I would like to talk about decontamination. In Ontario, refurbishment is a $27 billion business. Decontamination plays a very important part of it prior to refurbishment. So today, I would like to explore CNL's roles and capabilities of decontamination. And then to support my conclusion, I would like to start with some background information. First of all, why to decontaminate? Our mission goal is trying to reduce worker collective dose, reducing the exposure of radiation to workers prior for them to send them to reactor stations. And then we also want to facilitate waste management. What to decontaminate? CNL has the capability to decontaminate not only CANDU reactors, but also many other types of reactors. So we have a broad reach of reactor types. In terms of when to decontaminate, our decision has to be aligned with regulatory requirements as well as the reactor outage and maintenance schedules. So now I'd like to bring everybody's attention to the life extension of aging CANDU reactor fleets. So as of August 2022, in Canada, we have a total of 19 operating CANDU reactors, supplying significant amount of electricity to household users. For instance, 60% of Ontario's and also about 40% of New Brunswick's electricities are generated by nuclear power. So aging issue is kind of relatable to our human beings as well. As we continue to age, we reach a peak performance at age around 30 to 40 years old. And then as we continue aging, our performance is expected to gradually decrease. So in order to help support the life extension of aging CANDU reactor fleets and also supply the constant streams of electricity to household users, we can perform decontamination prior to refurbishment activity. So at CNL, the decontamination R&D work started in the 60s, and so far we have achieved 3 major decontamination processes. And they're listed here on the slide: CandiCount, CandiRun, and CandiRun Plus. So all these processes helps us to remove surface radioactive contaminants such as oxides and also related radionuclides from the component surfaces. So as you can see from the pictures on the right-hand side, in our lab, we receive reactor artifacts from the stations, and then we will cut them, send them to the hot cells, machine them, and prepare them into specific geometry and sizes. And then we can do sample preparations inside the fume hood. And then we will detect the radioactivity on the surface, such as using gamma spectroscopy before conducting our decontamination work. And then we can mount the coupons into the RD loop, which is a unique facility in our lab to perform qualification and optimization of decontamination processes. So in conclusion, CNL has the capability to support CANDU reactor refurbishment, and this is part of the major component replacement campaign for Bruce Power, which is going to start in 2023. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation.